In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers from your Facebook timeline. So if you don't want the public to know the number of followers that you have accumulated on Facebook, it is pretty much easy to hide them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to this channel. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is to tap on your profile picture on top here, and then go ahead and tap on the settings icon that you can see on top here. Now, once you tap on this, scroll down until you get to this section called Audience and Visibility. Under this, look for the option called Followers and Public Content, then go ahead and tap on it. Now you have this first option called Who Can See Your Followers on Your Timeline. This is what we are interested in. Go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, currently it is set to public, meaning anyone on and off Facebook can see the number of followers you have on your Facebook account. To hide this, you can either restrict it to your friends or to you only. So if you go ahead and tap on Only Me, then not even your friends will be able to see your followers, meaning the number of followers has been hidden from the public and also from your friends. So once you have selected this, go ahead and tap on Save to effect the change, and now you can see the current status, it is Only Me. So that's how you hide your followers on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.